And yeah, that's our budget in a car last 2 weeks. No, yeah, that's what so now no. TikTokers abe blàst Ato Forson after say Afenyo Markin. Ebi expose budget in the head. Just say copy and to spare copy. Or more copy and a budget and say empty. This was say, sir Ato Forson say oh a chat GPT and how to generate this budget. Oh, hey Ato, is that you Ato? Me want you no actually what do ama me. Ewo comment section. I Penyah block media. Me so say any demo. Over like video no that man put subscribers and snap back like notification icon for the latest update. Now bet you the why the ama me. Ewo comment section. Me so baswa. No share for so anya bi ahye. It last 2 weeks Thursday. E dey ko PM Ghana Parliament. Na e ho no ana finance minister Ato Forson ebe PM house ho no na order 206 budget no ebe to Ghana fo anim. Ya kwan homa sika ye dey ko bo oman Ghana ho bra in the year 206 oberi di kire Ghana for. Emma from there no ya kwan parliamentary debate between the majority and the minority in the house. Omo akone back and forth. So be a trade na dwen e wo ho any ade. Emma nansi enu ano. Me bro video as na I Afenyo Markin the full presentation on the 2026 budget read by the Ato Forson. E we just budget no kra no. It is a copied budget. Omo copy over 170 pages from the budget of Kenoforiata. And Afenyo be on what can ya it doesn't exist. But Ato Forson agent house on them everybody never pay the case so.
Motion 29. Mr. Speaker, since June, this motion that I moved regarding the many Ghanaian youth who were dismissed from their workplaces, that a ruling was made and I filed an appeal for a review. Speaker admitted the motion. I moved the motion. It was seconded. A contributor from the majority, Honorable Afenyo had his bite on it. Debate on this was suspended. Mr. Speaker, it's been months. We've been raising this thing. They keep advertising it. Mr. Speaker.
So, Honorable Minority Leader, what we are drawing my attention to, once the motion has been programmed on the order paper, what exactly do you want the Business Committee to do? Mr.
Speaker, I am drawing attention to the fact that though it gets advertised, but we never get to take it. The minister, the leader of government business, drives public business in this house. He drives public business in this house. I am not the one who drives public business. I'm therefore bringing that to his attention, that each week it is programmed, we are unable to take it. Today is Friday. Is it going to be business as usual? Because, Mr. Speaker, time is of the essence. We are talking about the livelihood of over 10,000 Ghanaian youths who have been taken away, who have been sent home. They've lost their employment. They've lost their livelihood. And Mr. Speaker, we as the people's representatives must be seen to be active. If a motion
my
is on
question
this
still remain
unanswered.
What exactly do you want the
Speaker,
business committee?
I want the leader of government
business committee to
the
do.
leader of government business who heads the business committee to facilitate the taking of this motion so that Mr. Speaker can make a determination on it.
So,
because we must have a finality.
What aspect of it do you want to be captured by the business
Mr.
statement
Speaker,
that has not been captured?
It always appear in the order paper and nothing is done. Each week it is programmed. It's part of motions programmed for ensuing week and nothing happens. And it's been so since June 13th. It's been so since June 13th. And we keep raising this matter. If I don't raise it, I will be told that I slept on my right. I will be told that I came to equity as an indolent stakeholder. I want to come to equity with my eyes open. So I don't want to be quiet. We raise it when we get into conclave. We raise it when we get on the floor and nothing happens. So, Mr. Speaker, I'm doing so in good faith. And if the leader of government business is minded, we may take it today, or if it would not be able to get us done, take it today, then when we come next week, Tuesday, we should be able to take it. Mr. Speaker, on that score, I would want to rest my case.
Now, after say Afenyo Markin edit this expose eba ye no. E do na comedian that was say Ato betina si ni nkom. Omo ke koma adwumpa kire Ato Forson.
calculation. No, the calculation say every year. This is what every year. Oh no, you have your time. You have your time. Logic. You have your time. Oh, do you? Dr. Samia, you have your time. You have your time. Oh, you have your time. How can you even say that? You have your time. Focus roadside analysis.
Dr. Samia.
Come on, Asem. Obi. Roadside analysis. Obi. Edu the time so I know did my time. No problem. Obi. Their Ghana for can say Ato is force no mo ka ho asem ni nia say na Ato is force medical drone delivery system. Who say zipline for no and then almost start for the app mo person mo free Ghana. So you aware say zipline na cure critical health conditions or what could be we crabia say the dro be ko and then zipline free ha. Ato is force say and then abanjo mo be fan for me boy entrepreneurs with ejumera 2025 budget omo budget 100 million 30 million pen omo timi de ma NEI before no cross 30 million na omo ye training 1 year na say be soldier training cross any ekono mo ye training the national apprenticeship program almost omo be ye national apprenticeship program almost omo they are done red mean stop and omo di MTT di for adwuma and a red mean stop baby abefa bia Osman Ayarega red mean stop because they don't have money to finance the national apprenticeship program. Obi, it is a matter of money. It is a matter of money. Omo ye training. Uwe ko social media no mo minister no mo nam so many infa aye training special the whole year. Why? What is happening in this country? Okwa kan mo say Ato is forcing. Ato is forcing what? Ato is forcing what? Obi, and then you can once a man almost say Ato is forcing if you say pad I turn 15 cities for market no, and then I buy a turn 45 Ghana cities. I'm a Ghana for Obi, our co budget no make 3D say ya de kwa top pad. Obi ade bakwa mama Maria Okra ne say omoko ka about job creation almost say Ato is forcing 24-hour economy na way. All forcing no for 24-hour economy nembra 133 no mo share your bon Obi 1 year down the line. Presidency kura mi ngi ni to mo ye adwuma 24 hours ye 133 policy no but omo ma ye believe say omo wini abana omo ba be ye ade bia ye friend 133 and 133 no omo de bring Ghana fo ani so Obi nsema e koso ni no me de me conclude no I am still saying say abenwe they have no plan for job creation. Obi dey tia make us say finally as I conclude makacho that I say job creation almost say 490,000 jobs from the big pusher. But Makase are non-existent because they have no structure for it. Average, we create 290,000 jobs from palm wine, palm oil. From palm oil development, Obi 290 jobs. Obi Sebio, Mibisa was a Unyaketo no Wako University of Ghana. You know, Bemana Kwakucha palm oil. Palm oil. No, I'm making a point. What I'm saying is Obi, the majority of youth in this country are either waiting say abaibe bo momo asset up omo anka so modwuma and also mobenya white collar jobs aí. Obi sebe dey for national service in your critical example. You can decide to play politics with it, but the reality is that weekend the schools omo year graduation tech unimark near the end Obi all these people want to work in white collar institutions. All those people want monies from Ejumera, from national apprenticeship, from Maslock near the idea omubetimi they starting another startup businesses. They don't want to go to Ofuasia Irebi to do palm oil business. Obi, that's not what the youth of this country want. They want sustainable jobs. Oh, Dr. Samia, palm oil and Katia.
Hey, Kenya. Ghana for Nancy the finance minister or the budget echo parliament echo ready on behalf of the president His Excellency John Mahama Ato 2026 budget na say enyoma wo kan o parliament wo a free budget mu no ene honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin amye hu say enyoma wo budget mu nyina e cut and paste I didn't make us a part of the budget no finance minister Ebo ministries bia na under Nana Akufo-Addo ene 2026 budget finance minister kokan ye no wasabo sa ministries yi e budget nim say obema o musika no mo de aye adwuma ana me say ministries yi mo ba na mo say da bi mo pe 60 ministers and you know mogu ministries no na then na osebobo ministries ni bim mo hwe first ministry also ministry of railways development ombemo musika amomo dia developing railways e Ghana Abra ministry of railways development has been scrapped by the president. Secondly, also ministry of sanitation and water resource, even ministry of water sanitation and water resource no his excellency na now dan kwaku for the tesa ministry no NDC by also must scrap his ministry na say ministry na exist bim tie den na minister o budget mu beka so be masa ministry ni sika amomo dia ya adwuma na say cut and paste and akokoye e wo budget no it is a utimi yesei ekokopi enioma free 20 akufo do budget 2024 budget mu di ba budget mu dia any by extension no u figures are a war budget mu na were cooked and compromised. Listen to Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin say odi NDC for Eco School no aka cho mo say omo budget no e cut and paste omo ko copy free MPP for ye wi a de ho ne be ka to aso.
Mr. Speaker, this budget is a cut and paste budget. When we say the successes of Nanado government is as a result of solid foundation laid by his administration, the NDC start to fight. But look at pages 74, 75 to 76, paragraphs 519 to 533. It is a complete cut and paste budget. They claim we have a ministry for works and housing with all the 60 ministers, with all the appointees in cabinet. They could not open their eyes to see that they were selling something to Parliament that they themselves have not defined as part of the ministries. Mr. Speaker, how can you, at paragraph 519, claim that there's a Ministry of Railway Development? How can you, at paragraph 528, say that Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, and then at paragraph 523, again say Ministry of Works and Housing? Where was the deputy minister who could have paid attention to these details and dotted the I's? Where were the ministers? And this document has been brought to Parliament. In the list, this document might be withdrawn and a new budget brought before Parliament. Parliament will not accept this cut and paste budget, and all the things you have in there are things that you pulled from the previous budget and pasted them. Where is the Ministry for Railway and Development? Mr. Speaker, our friends have been exposed. A lazy attitude in preparation of a national document for Parliament. How could it have been a mistake? This is not a mistake. This is incompetence. This is clear that you did not prepare the budget with due diligence. Else you won't come and tell us Ministry for Works and Housing, Ministry for Railway Development, and write anything because you think you have the numbers to say here. We, the minority, the mighty minority, will scrutinize. And you can choose to use the courts and other means together with your numbers to get all of us out of this chamber. We will still protest and scrutinize you outside of this chamber.
Osahini Alexander Kwamina Afenyo Markin Sami Ensign aka Tamiewu. Ghana for I present to you the cut and paste budget from cut and paste president, read and delivered by the cut and paste finance minister. Namaste.
Haruna Idrisu, the current education minister, Obiko jail in 2029 as MP Baba M1. Me catch them was an NDC Abangwi, a criminal organization, na Oma pass on me bokrono ankasa. Abusuan for Muina Mohun Koma Ekoso concerning some sanitary pass. Bia John Mahama Ato Forson se Omakoto ebe chama Ghana school for. Abusan for Honorable Ato Forson about Parliament, the catcher Ghana for you say. And that sanitary pad a 15 Ghana cedis. To Ghana be a Jew. Abusan for Harney Dusu Eco sanitary pad by Ebechama Ghana for minority caucus in Parliament Koyen Moon Harney Dusu pad no nice October could be 45 Ghana cedis. A ban is saying in a finance minister catch Ghana for say pad a 15 Ghana cedis. Now Okoto pad the break Ghana for 45 Ghana cedis. Abusan for all the details not we investigation now. Not just say every party biano, we party bia and this abano a boss chrono 30 Ghana cedis. I didn't have 15 Ghana cedis. Into party bia motobiano omunya and for from each part 30 Ghana cedis. Eti okay kabomwa sika abanwe area through the sanitary pad around 170 million Ghana cedis. 170 million Ghana cedis. Any sika abanwe area from this sanitary pad. Enti now no mobile se mobile boy and mobile crown. Mo the member parliament. Member of Parliament for Tafo Pancrono, Honorable Vincent Equasefo, honor raising this concern, Emma Ghana for any about. Moment Parliament. Nim could see in Tremu or the my brand had reduced it to one.
6.6 million packs of sanitary pads were distributed to girls in public basic schools. Mr. Speaker, assuming without admitting that the allocation was not changed, 292 million Ghana cedis indeed was used to purchase the 6.6 million pads that they said they have distributed. A simple calculation will tell you that one pad is 45 Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, I have in my hands here a publication that
yes, Papa Gabriel Pecasa, and your casa near Pet. Teresa Bain, why ye, Bonio? John Mahama, why ye, Bonio? Intina, Miss Ama mene one say Fira Bain. John Mahama, why should ye, why ye? Ubi a hontono, Intina, Miss I buy no why ye, Bonio? John Mahama, why ye, Bonio? Say why ye, Bonia? Ag John no pedo ama mewra ho inti wa mamwe hwan na ne hoto no e wo man Ghana yatim sisi John hwan e na ne hoto no ekuafo kra do ma ye mobbo kra tiantichafo na esifu osun aposifu osun timamufu nso a yesu twa adwo papa adai hwe mama nkyere wade akufo ado time na na yese dollar na e wo se 17 cedis wo se sei no hwe mama nkyere wade aduro wi ana metoma ma brewa aduro wi na eye 4.7 na dollar na wo 17 cedis no akufo ado time because doctor no catch it say beto ne bosumi bia inti no dollar ne ba fom a eduro ni so be ba fom ekosoro be kosoro ti akufo ado time na e 17 cedis no ni e to no 470 cedis John what me the dollar na ba 10 cedis think we say do we ya anto ankenye 2.5 250 cedis mi donyame enenam 5.7 570 Ghana cedi ena me tone bosumi bia abi na se nyanyame na baboa me a me da abobra me ye dai abobra edrowi eye ni teacher ni bi epe ayepe ti wa memwe hwa pa na ne ho to no ye kwakeka na nkwasiafo bi o ma adwene wo fom ne ye betwerɛtwerɛ ase ebedi watam hwa akuafo entosi na eguo na aburo na egu ho no enye ne ma na aba fom ne yenya tofo because of dollar no wadi sika ahye mu ama aba fom ti obi akra ba bi firi ba bi opɛ na bo opɛ no wadi abegye na akuafo ni di egu ho yesrawo se dollar na kosoro ne ho betoye ya jem na enko ni yenya kwan ni dibi ni yeni pama na wo pra ye
Ghana for Asem aba afena mati de ntia nkofo kwoto aba ma NDC 2024 Afenyo na mate die nti a NDC for omumpe education asem afena mate ase pa na ma sha ase so obu amembu ya na mate ase because omom koto aba 2024 no my ade papa omom koto aba ma winning ye 56 na 56% omo adwo da ho mo nse mamo se mama Ghana ekoyie jojo bibi atoto no kwem nyame nhira mo God have mercy upon us. Se Martin nsem bi ekoso a Lithium ho nsensem na e ba ye se a check akara ba ma shada na menka ho ase na me hu se na me nsin kan asem ni because me dwene ho a na me tie me ya me dwene ho a me hu ha wa Ghana fo bi mu esi dwene because in every word ma dwene ho a ultimate na odi na intimi a me krom Ghana fo na ekoto abade man ko fo wi. Na nako for the time Lithium won sensem ya before na do ene ne nkofo ebekọ Lithium ho akwotena for maye age 10% no sa time na Ghana ubeye adwuma wo hase ya sika wo se wotua no ye sha ase fi 3% to 6% enti mbeka ya Professor Mus the time kurampo no sa oil na pie na Ghana ye de 2% pe eno no na nakofo do ya na ba ya ombeke kan ya na se ba 7% to se ba yan 1% ombeka ya na nsia Lithium mo sensem ye ba yi NDC for original say na nakofo do mo sa 10% on mo je no ayo necessary hu hia na 10% de so say ombeke kan sem bebre de fa ho akutia sa Lithium 10% na nakofo do makofo instead of 6% anka also mo je no mo ko je 10% na for the mo fight ya say 10% NDC for cassette here na onim and the NDC betina ho no e betina so no omo nkonkwo je Lithium ho percentage a omo akwaje 5% 5% o omo akwaje 5% ni omo bi so omo say adenti na mo 10% mo si enye na 5% no ene de mo akwaje asem mo be kan se 10% na nakofo do mo agi na mo ka se so ano eye illegal ana enimrem se wo so mo je sa scam na mo de 5% de be boa Ghana hot country se mo hu ma ba na mkoto ye mo hu fa so yenya sense mo hu senti a de enti a NDC for mo mpe free education mo pese fie bia krachi bebem because omonim se fie bia krachi bema NDC party na begu NDC for nim se fie bia krachi bem obi ati making kan obi ati brofo na se de mmeka bia obi ati ase a party ni begu because omo pe illiterate na mo de move party omo po mo anko school no mo move MPP NDC party because adwe medwuma me I can't think for onyankwa kwaje 10% o se 10% ni so a enye mo kekan se me brave fa mo ba ye de ma kwaje 5% de 5% ni ye illegal and de ye papa hey what a country no wonder say you say we are singing na no anyansafo nyina we are say mo ntimi ndwene nyina ye de Ghana akwato 8% ye de Ghana akwato number 8 no wonder because ultimate to abama political party na political party ni be ye saade we ya be ye saade we de kire ya what a country.
Chira wa joma me e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Media. Akra.